So we have interfaced RFID card reader, RC522 RFID reader writer serial port interface module with Raspberry Pi, and I'll demonstrate the whole working also, but let me give what is done here. The display that we have used is 16:2 LCD display module. When the card is detected, the device reads its ID and displays it on the LCD display. The picture that you are seeing here or that is shown in the background, that might be slightly different from my actual picture, which I'll show in the video that follows this. The circuit diagram and modules used by me are given in the description attached to this video. You will have to connect every connection like that. The connections are quite simple. I have given the physical pin numbers of the Raspberry Pi. The pin numbers have to be connected to the respective ports on the modules. And the pictures, as I have already said, you are seeing here is a schematic. The colors and modules used in my case may be seen in the video that follows. So here is the video description. This is the setup that you are seeing here. This is the module for RF reader, the Pico you can see, and this is the display. And this is the wire that goes into the main power, and from there you can turn it on, and when you turn it on, the light glows. So this shows that connections are okay, and the LCD module displays waiting. It will wait. It is programmed like that. Then you can use this card, the white card you are seeing, and it will say card detected, and it will also show the ID number of the card. So card detected, I'll do it multiple times. This is the card that is just brought close and it is detected instantly. So such systems can be used to control automated locks, attendance system. Now this is with the Raspberry Pi. There were no code or programs on the internet for this. So I have written a code for this so that you can see that it can be done with the Raspberry Pi also. For the code part and for the compiled installer for this Raspberry Pi, you can see the description. You will have to contact me for further details. I'll close it right now. Thank you.